is Ryan. Today I will be talking about my role model. Who is your role model? Almost everyone has a role model of their own. My role model is Elon Musk. There are two reasons that he is my role model. First, he has a lot of money and he is the second richest man in the world. He could influence people because he could give money to them, and he makes me want to work harder because he has a lot of money and I want to be like him. And not only does he have money, he also has a good personality. I think he has a good personality because people say that he has a good personality, and I think I saw some videos about him and in the video. He was well behaving, good towards people, and if he wants to buy something, he could buy almost anything in the world. So I think that part of him inspires people to want to be like him, and that he is a role model. Some days people think money is the best thing in the world, so he is many people's role model. Having a lot of money is a very big thing to people and could be happiness to people. Second, he gives a lot of advice to people, and he makes me better. If he gives advice to or talks about his younger days, I could sympathize to him and make me to think like I could be like him. He could be very powerful and energy to me, so when I am so tired, I think that I need to be like him and I could be like him. That it is just a very big reason to me, and thinking about him wakes me up again, and I feel better than before. But I think the biggest reason is because he has a lot of money. To conclude, I want to be like Elon Musk because he has a lot of money and has a good personality. Also, he is very powerful. Thank you for listening to my presentation.